Hello, EDCI 702 candidates. Dr. Palermo with a week 8 good news, bad news kind of message. The good news is that I don't have readings for you to do. I do not have extensive writing and dialogue posts for you to do this week. But what you do need to do this week is wrap up your OA and complete a self-assessment on your organizational analysis, and then load both your self-assessment and your OA this week, please, and also please respond to someone else. So by April 10th, and I guess how do you load that and also respond to somebody by April 10th? That's going to be kind of hard, but by April 10th, please load your OA in the dialogue post here for up here to give you some feedback. I've got my dates mixed up. Excuse me. By March 13th, by the end of week 8, load your self-assessment in OA. It's going to be due to me for formative assessment in Blackboard April 10th. The intent here is for you to give one another non-graded formative feedback and help on your OA prior to submitting it to me for me to apply the rubric. So you look at your OA and self-assess against the rubric. A peer looks at it and gives you feedback. And remember, we talked in class about constructive feedback, about being critical friends, and truly saying to somebody, hey, you know, parts 1, 2, and 3 look good. According to the rubric, you don't have part 4 there yet, or it looks incomplete. You might want to beef up part 4 so that you get full credit for that. And so, again, give one another some formative, some real positive, constructive kind of formative feedback on this, so that you have a week or two to clean it up, to work it up, to get it better before you submit it to me. I hope that's clear. You're giving one another formative feedback prior to my feedback, prior to the summative feedback in task stream at the end of the semester, or a couple of weeks from now. We're going to do this process with the OA this week, see how it goes. I give you credit in the dialogue post simply for completing the process. I'm not looking at the content yet. I will review the content on April 10th. So again, light reading, light work on everything else this week so that you can focus on that OA and getting it clean for a peer review in a week. Thank you. That's it really for me. No additional readings, no additional dialogue posts. If you can get your things in by Sunday in order to give folks feedback, time to give feedback by Tuesday, great. But I messed up the date and said March 13th. You have a week to get those in for some peer feedback, please. Thank you. Interesting tip here on APA, and again, just link straight to that Purdue OWL site and get used to looking there for APA stylistic guidelines. Thank you. Have a great week. That's it for me.